Hi, my name is Zak Goldstein, and I'm a Philadelphia criminal defense lawyer. I'm a partner in the law firm of Goldstein Mehta, LLC in Center City, Philadelphia. Um, and I'm going to give everyone watching this video a piece of free legal advice, which is going to cost me business if you follow it. Every single person watching this video, if you're in the United States, if you're in Pennsylvania, if you're in New Jersey, you have a Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. That means you can't be called as a witness at your own trial unless you want to testify, and it means you do not ever have to speak to the police about a criminal investigation or criminal charges or anything else. And so I'm constantly asked for advice in terms of criminal law, and the most important piece of advice I can give to anyone is that if you are under investigation, if a detective calls you and asks you to come down to the station to clear things up or ask for some more information, or if you're under arrest, and you're facing charges, the most important thing you can do is call a criminal defense attorney and get some advice about the case. You know, my firm, Goldstein Mehta, we give a free 15-minute criminal defense strategy session to any potential client who's under investigation or facing charges or worried about a potential criminal issue anywhere in Pennsylvania, anywhere in New Jersey. And if you are under investigation, if the police are trying to talk to you, then you should take advantage of that. You know, we can run through the situation, see if an attorney might be able to help, see if it makes sense for you to go give a statement and give you some advice that can help you avoid criminal charges. Because the reality is that under our system, it is difficult for the prosecution to prove a criminal case. They have to prove every case beyond a reasonable doubt. And the one thing that makes it really easy for the prosecution to prove that is a confession. And once that's out of the box, you know, once the confession is out, it is difficult to undo. There are motions to suppress. They're not always recorded, but it is extremely difficult to undo damaging statements from the defendant. And that type of evidence is almost always admissible at a trial. So a good example that I would give is an investigation for something illegal on a computer, some sort of illegal pornography. You know, the police show up at the house. They've tracked the computer that the material is on to a suspect's house. They show up there, they seize the computer, and they start questioning whoever's home. The person who gives a statement admitting to ownership of the computer, even if they don't admit to knowing what was on the computer, that person's going to get charged with a crime. And that's going to be much harder to disprove than the person who doesn't admit that that's my computer. And so that person may very well never get charged. And so I'm costing myself some business here by giving that advice. But the key point is that if the police show up to your house, if you're under investigation, if you've been charged, you should speak with an attorney, preferably one of us, before giving a statement. You can reach us at 267-225-2545. We're always happy to answer any questions about criminal defense and help you make the best decision about how to handle an investigation.